Welcome to Vardhana Finance. Thank you for choosing Vardhana for your student loan. We are excited to be part of your education journey. This video covers important information regarding your rights and obligations pertaining to your loan. Please watch till the end. Loan disbursement. The loan sanction letter and welcome kit have been shared with you on your registered email ID, WhatsApp, and SMS. Please take time to carefully read these documents to familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions associated with your loan. In case you have not received these documents, please check your spam folder. Else, contact our customer service team on care@vardhana.com so that we can share these important documents with you again. The loan amount that you have availed has been disbursed directly to the institute as per terms of the agreement. There is a free look period of 7 days from the disbursement date, during which you can close the loan by returning the loan amount to Vardhana along with the interest for the number of days. We will not levy any other charges for closing the loan during the free look period. Please note that the free look period is only for 7 days from the date of disbursement. After the 7-day free look period, terms and charges for loan closure as mentioned in the sanction letter and key fact statement shall apply if you want to close the loan ahead of time.
EMI payment. 1. Your EMI due date and the EMI amount is mentioned in your sanction letter. 2. The EMI will get deducted from your bank account based on your eNACH or UPI AutoPay registration at the time of executing the loan agreement. 3. As a free reminder service, we may send you reminder messages on SMS, WhatsApp, and email a few days before the due date. 4. If there is any issue with your eNACH or UPI registration, please get it done at the earliest to enjoy a seamless experience. 5. Please ensure that you always maintain sufficient balance in your bank account to pay the EMI on time. 6. Delay in paying your EMI will result in overdue charges and may affect your credit track record. Hence, it is important to pay your EMI on the due date. 7. In the event that you are not able to pay on the scheduled EMI due date, please transfer the EMI to us using the virtual ID, as specified in your sanctioned letter at the earliest possible. 8. Your virtual ID will start with VTN followed by the loan ID with the IFSC code, ICIC 000103. Please refer to the sanction letter for detailed instructions on paying the EMI using the virtual ID. 9. Please do not pay cash or by any other means. 10. Every day of delay will result in the charges being added, so please pay at the earliest.
Discontinuation of course. Please note that in this transaction, Vardhana is only the loan provider and has no control over the course that you are undertaking. If you decide to discontinue the course for any reason, it is important to note that you continue to remain liable for repayment of the complete loan amount, along with the accrued interest and charges, as outlined in the loan agreement. You are the borrower and are responsible for repaying the entire loan amount on a timely basis. The loan was disbursed directly to the institute to ensure that there is no misuse of funds and cannot be an excuse for not taking the obligation on yourself. Defaulting loan repayment. In the event of non-payment of EMIs, we may, in line with RBI guidelines, initiate necessary recovery proceedings. These proceedings may involve visits from our company representatives to your residence or office, followed by further criminal and civil legal actions if required. We kindly urge you to review the details outlined in the loan sanction letter, specifically referring to page 2 of the Key Fact Statement (KFS) document, which provides comprehensive information regarding the applicable charges for such visits and legal procedures. Closing loan before time. As per the loan agreement, the loan gets closed automatically once the last EMI has been paid. If you want to close the loan before time, you will have to pay prepayment charges as defined in your sanction letter. You can pre-close the loan after 6 months from the date of disbursement adhering to the terms and conditions specified in the sanction letter. You can send your pre-closure request to care@vardhana.com and we shall process your request within the stipulated period. Updating contact information. It is important for us to stay in touch during the loan repayment period. If there are any changes to your contact details such as your mobile number, email address, residential address, or WhatsApp number, it is important to keep us informed. Please email to care@varthana.com to update your information. Always mention your client ID and loan ID in any communication with us. In accordance with the guidelines set by the Reserve Bank of India, it is mandatory to update your KYC details on a periodic basis. We will reach out to you whenever your KYC is due for renewal and request you to cooperate with us. We value staying in touch with you. As part of our commitment to keeping you informed and engaged, you may receive reminder calls, SMS, WhatsApp messages, and emails from us pertaining to your loan. Frequently asked questions, FAQ. Question 1. Can I change the EMI due date? We follow the same due date for all customers, and at this point in time, due date cannot be changed. Question 2. Can I change the bank account for auto debit? Yes, you can email your request to care@varthana.com with relevant documents and provide fresh ENACH mandate. Question 3. Can I cancel the loan? You can cancel the loan during free look period, 7 days from date of disbursement, without paying any charges by paying applicable interest. Post the free look period, you may pre-close the loan with applicable charges as per the agreement terms. Question 4. Can I reduce EMI amount and increase loan tenure? No, the EMI amount and loan tenure is decided based on credit risk policy and cannot be changed. Question 5. I am not happy with quality of institute or course and don't want to continue. Can I stop the loan repayment? No. The loan amount has already been disbursed to the institute, and until the money comes back to us with interest and applicable charges, the responsibility to repay is yours and only yours. Question 6. I am not able to continue the course due to personal issues and want to discontinue the course. Can I get money back from institute? We are only a loan provider, and any such queries should be directed to the institute. Customer support. We are committed to extend a delightful journey with Varthana. Please do reach out to us for any support. Reach us via helpline or email. Helpline 080684557777, Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Email care@varthana.com.